What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob. So, here's that yellow Squier Sonic that I picked up. I just wanted you guys to see this. So, I did the frets, leveled it out, put all the new pickups in it, pots, three-way selector switch. I put an additional string tree in there. Gave her a little bit of a flare paint job, something simple. I want you guys to see it. With some different knobs on there, clear knobs. Pick guard. Look at them frets, huh? Yeah, wouldn't it be nice if they came out a fender like that? Yeah. Oh yeah. And they are nice. They are nice. Here's string tree. There we cut the knot. There you go. It looks pretty good, huh? If you guys want to hear it, I'll give you a little test drive of it so you can hear it. I wanted you guys to see it. Looks pretty good, don't it? And put a little time into it. Alright, let me set you over here. Get you set up real quick. I'll do a quick little demo. Oops, sorry. Let's see. Get you guys all set up here. I'll do a quick little demo for you so you guys can hear it. And see what you think. I'll give you a little clean and it's a front pickup. Metal. Bridge. I'll back the tone off a little bit for you. Give it a little overdrive. Give me 1 second. Ugh. Here we go.
Guys, so I got right around the same amount of money, pretty close, around I guess around 220 into it total. It was the base purchase price, pick guard, pickups, potentiometers, the tone of volume knob, 3-way toggle switch, input jack, string tree, recut the nut, and there you have it. You can do it too, you know. Of course, you know, if you have to have somebody do it, yeah, it's going to cost you probably another $100 or $120 or whatever. But if you have a little bit of skill, a little bit of time, and a few little tools, you can do it too. So there you go. All set up. Sound good? Yeah, pretty good. Too bad that Fender can't sell them for that, huh? Not in this world. That's what happens when you become a big business, right? You forget about the little guy. You throw them real scraps. You don't throw them scraps to chew on. Alright guys, take care. God bless. Hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to show it to you while it got done. Once again, there's that Squier. Hope you all enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. Like, share, subscribe. Pastor Bob, and I'm out of here. See ya.